everyone, Shitty Heart Toys. Today we're going to make is Play-Doh. Make macaroons. And today how to make macaroons with Play-Doh is easy. So first you're going to get is your food coloring. Mine is going to be blue. And yeah, this is a new series. So here's my blue Play-Doh. I made it already, so I can make it. I'm gonna use my rolling pin. We're just gonna roll it out. Well, we're just gonna roll it out until we're done. And yeah. So let's get started. Table. So we're just gonna roll it. And whoa. And if it's okay that everything drops. So I just wanna keep on rolling it until it is very smooth. Ow! So I'm just gonna keep on rolling this until I am done. Okay, you just want it like an inch thick until you're done. So I'm just gonna pick it up. And then you're going to get a cookie cutter. So for me, you can use any kind of cookie cutters. I'm using a round cookie cutter because macaroons are round. And yeah. So I'm just gonna dig some out of the side so you guys can see very closely. So just get up and give a little see-through part that you can see me doing. Not that close, okay. So I'm just gonna press down, pick it up. That's one macaroon. Two macaroons. Well, here's another macaron. There. So we're just gonna keep on making this. I'm going to make. Oh yeah, how many I'm gonna make? Just gonna make 4 because when you only make 3, it doesn't work at all because what are you gonna do? So this one has like partners, and then there's one by itself, and it doesn't close off. Do you know what I mean? Gonna pop it off, and then whoa, can you guys see that? Okay, here's a cookie. So we're just gonna take out the cookie dough until it is good. So I'm just gonna take it out. And now you wanna do is put it in the oven for like